Hello everybody. Today we'll be discussing an issue which is faced with the Dhaval color picker library. So basically the issue is that when this we cannot change the color of these buttons as instructed in the customization section. So here it says that we can simply give these names in the colors.xml file, but it does not happen. First let me demonstrate that. I have simply called the color picker, and I have actually made the latest update of the library, I believe. Yes, it's the latest one, and we'll also be discussing its solution, so stick till the end for that. So let us just launch it right here, and let's see what the color is initially, and then we'll try to change the color in our colors.xml file. So currently colors.xml file does not have those two, where is it? Yeah, customized colors, which is positive button text color and negative button text color, and now we will be changing that after the first boot. Okay, so as you can see, it is in black color currently. So now I'll be using this in our colors.xml file as instructed. We'll be just copying pasting this. I just want to change the color of the buttons right now, so let's just focus on that, and we'll give them custom colors. Let's see what can we do here. Custom, we'll give it a red for positive and bluish for the negative button. And let's see. Okay, so I figured the issue out. So it doesn't just happens in the dark mode. So let us try to make this dark mode. Okay, so now we have turned the dark mode on. Let's relaunch the app just to avoid any issues. Okay, this one is color picker YT. Yep. Okay, so as you can see, the colors are not applied. Let us just remove this first so we can get to see the original colors. This will only happen in the dark theme, as we saw in the tutorial. White or light theme, the color is changing.
Okay.
So as you can see, there is no change. So I had looked into this issue section and I found out that we can simply roll back to a previous version of this library, which is, where is it? Issue 1.1. When we roll it down to 1.1, let us test that. This issue is supposedly fixed. So okay, 1.1, and we'll sync it. It will show a warning that it's not the newest version, but we can ignore it for our purpose, and then we'll check it with the older version, and it should work. First we'll check it without the values in the colors.xml file, and then we'll check it with the values. Okay, now let's relaunch the app. Okay, so now we can also change the color of this as it is mentioned in the documentation. Here there's the bottom sheet divider color, so let us just do it quickly and let's get rid of this error. So here we'll change the color to not to the X, and we'll make the positive button blue now, bluish. Okay, and we'll keep the negative button orangish, because why not? Okay, and I've changed the color of the bottom sheet divider as well, so let's see what happens. Okay, so the color of the buttons have changed, but I don't think the color of the sheet has changed. Bottom sheet divider color as they call it. Okay, so that was not the issue that I was facing on my device, but here in the emulator this issue is there. Well, but if you were facing a similar issue, then rolling down to the 1.1 update might help. Thank you.